Hello everyone. In this part 4th of trigonometric functions, I'll explain you about the signs of trigonometric functions and addition and subtractions formulae. So let's start with the signs of trigonometric functions. For this, first of all, let us suppose we have one horizontal line and one is a line perpendicular on it, so that it will convert it into coordinate axis. This will be the origin and this is x, so x dash, and this is y, o y dash. In earlier classes we read about this thing, that here the x coordinate and y coordinate is positive, and in last video I had explained that if you will take the unit circle, then cos theta is always representing the x coordinate and y sin theta is always representing, or sin theta is equals to y coordinate. So here the x and y coordinate both are positive. It means sin theta is positive, cos theta is also positive. Now sin theta is positive, it means cosec theta is also positive, because cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta. Now cos theta is positive, it means sec theta is also positive, because sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta is positive, cos theta is positive, it means tan theta is also positive. Same way, cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta, it means cot theta is positive. It means in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Now come to the second quadrant. In second quadrant, x coordinate is negative, it means cos theta is negative. Cos theta is negative, it means sec theta is also negative. Now this is y coordinate is positive, it means sin theta is positive. Sin theta is positive, cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta, it means cosec theta is also positive. Now tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta positive, cos theta negative, it means tan theta is negative. And cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta, it means cot theta is also negative. It means in this second quadrant, sin and its reverse cosec theta is positive. So on the basis of this thing, we can take a general part ASTC. It means after school to college. A means all are positive, because this one all trigonometric ratios are positive. S means sin and cosec, sin theta and cosec theta. If we are taking any moving angle theta, so these two are positive in second quadrant. In third quadrant, T means tan theta and cot theta is positive. So, and this, what is this? C. C means cos theta and sec theta is positive. So, we have to remember this point, ASTC, after school to college. It means all positive, sin and cosec positive, rest of all other are negative. Tan and cot positive, cos and sec positive. Related to this, there are 48 relations. That 48 relations we will develop, but for this we have to understand the concept of addition and subtraction formulae. Once we come to know how they are coming, then it is very easy to prove the 48 relations whatever coming on the basis of this part. This one, develop of all this relation, we will take in other video. It means the coming video. Now in this video we will develop the relation for the addition and subtraction formulae. For this, first of all, we will develop the relation sin A plus B is equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, where A and B are the acute angles. Now look at this thing. For this, let us suppose we have a ray OX. This is the ray OX and a revolving line starting from its initial position OX traced out an angle YOX, and this YOX is equals to angle A, and this is again revolving and creating an angle YOZ, and this YOZ is equals to angle B. Now what we have to do, we have to consider any point P and through this P point we have to draw the perpendicular PM on OX, and this PN perpendicular on OY. This is the perpendicular PN. Now from this end we have to draw the perpendicular on OX. Let us suppose this is Q, and this from N we are drawing the perpendicular NR on this PM. So first of all we are going to draw this perpendiculars. Now we have to find out A plus B sine. It means sine A plus B is equals to, how will we calculate? In the triangle PMO. In triangle PMO, sine A plus B, how it will come? Perpendicular. It means PM upon, what is this thing? OP. Now PM, how can we break this PM? PM means PR plus RM upon OP. Now RM is equals to NQ. It means NQ, and this is plus PR upon OP. Now make it separate. NQ upon OP plus PR upon OP. Now we are introducing another term because we have NQ. NQ, we will take ON with NQ. That is why NQ upon ON into ON upon OP. In the same way, for this PR, we are introducing PN. So we are doing PR upon PN into PN upon OP. Now look at this thing one by one. If we will consider in triangle OQN, in OQN, NQ upon ON, NQ upon ON, what will come? Sine A. So this is the sine A. Now on the basis of ON, what is this? ON upon OP. This is the right angle triangle. This is the angle B. 90 front is hypotenuse. It means once this is hypotenuse, it means this become ON upon OP. This become cos B. What is this? Cos B. Now we have to generate one more thing. I'll show you how this angle is coming angle A. For this I am doing here in this part in right angle triangle PRN. Now in right angle triangle PRN, angle RPN. Angle RPN is equals to this 90. This angle plus this angle is equals to 180. It means RPN is equals to 90 minus angle PNR. Now this is 90. 90 minus PNR from this angle, what will come? This is equals to angle RNO. This is RNO. Now look at this thing. This is parallel to this one. This is the transversal. This is angle A. It means this is also angle A. And once this is angle A, it means angle RPN is also angle A, because we have to use this portion here. Now look at this thing. RP, this is RP upon PN. RP upon this PN. This is the 90 degree. If we will consider this angle, then RP upon PN, what will come? This will come cos A. And then PN upon OP. What is this? Where is PN? PN is this one. PN upon OP. We have OP is here. This is OP. So in this right angle triangle, PN upon OP, what will come? This will come sine B. In this right angle triangle, PNO. So in this right angle triangle, PN is perpendicular and this OP is hypotenuse. So this is the proof of this thing, that sine A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Now if we have to do the proof of sine A minus B, so in this relation replace B by minus B. Replace B by minus B. Once you will do this thing, what will come? Sine A plus minus B is equals to sine A, and what is this? Cos minus B plus cos A, and what is this? Sine minus B. Now sine A cos minus theta, cos theta only, it means this is cos B plus cos A. Sine minus theta means minus sine theta, it means minus sine B. So this is sine A minus B is equals to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Now let's do the other formulas. Now look at this thing. If we have to find out cos A plus B, we know very well cos theta is equals to sine 90 minus theta. It means 90 minus A plus B. You write like this, sine 90 minus A, and what is this? Minus B. It means sine 90 minus A. Just now sine A minus B means sine A cos B minus cos A and sine B. It means, you know very well, sine 90 minus theta. What is this? Sine 90 minus theta cos theta. It means this is cos A cos B minus cos 90 minus theta means sine theta. It means sine A sine B. So cos A plus B is equals to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. This is the formula of cos A plus B. Now in this replace B by minus B. So what will come? Cos A minus B is equals to cos A cos minus B plus minus sine A minus sine minus B. Now cos minus theta is equals to cos theta. It means cos A cos B. Sine minus theta is equals to minus sine theta. It means plus sine A sine B. So this is the formula for cos A minus B, that cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Now we have to find out tan A plus B. Tan A plus B means, how will we do the tan A plus B? Look at this thing. Tan A plus B means sine A plus B upon cos A plus B, because we know very well tan theta is equals to sine theta upon cos theta. Now sine A plus B means sine A cos B plus cos A sine B, and cos A plus B means, what is this? Cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. So from this part, what we are going to do? We are going to do here one important thing. We are going to take cos A cos B common. So cos A cos B common. Here cos A is not here. It means multiply by cos A and divide by cos A. It means this become tan A and this become tan B upon here also common cos A cos B. It means cos A cos B common, but will come 1 minus tan A tan B after taking common. This is cancel out. It means tan A plus B is equals to, what is this? Tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A tan B. In the same way, we can do the proof of, similarly, we can do the proof of which one? Tan A minus B. Tan A minus B means, what is this? Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Once you will do the proof of this thing, it will come. Now, next part we will do, look at this thing, how will we develop cot A plus B? Cot A plus B, same procedure. What is this? Cot theta means cos theta upon sin theta, and you know very well cos A plus B means cos A cos B minus sin A sin B minus sin A sin B upon, what is this thing? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, according to that identities. Now what is common here? We will take here common sin A sin B. Once you will take common here sin A sin B, but this become cot A cot B minus 1, and this is again here sin A sin B common. So what this become? This become cot B, and this is plus cot A. This is cancel out. It means this become cot A cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. This is the formula for cot A plus B. Similarly, once we will do the proof of this thing, another formula, we will get cot A minus B is equals to cot A cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. So in this way, you have to revise these relations and make a command to learn all this relation. Thanks and God bless you.